Right now, are you dreaming about, are you wishing you were on a sunny, sandy beach somewhere, that you were on vacation somewhere else, anywhere? I have the answer. It's a better choice. Come on! Are you wishing you were someplace else right now? Are you always looking forward to the weekend? Maybe thinking about sitting on a warm sandy beach somewhere or a remote mountain cabin on a lake retreat? Most anywhere, as long as it's someplace else. Hey, we all do it from time to time, but what can you do if you are hating your life Monday through Friday? Create a life that you don't need a vacation from. When I was a kid, a teenager, and into my early 20s, hey, back when the dinosaurs roamed the earth, I remember seasoned adults telling me to get a job. Get a good job, making a lot of money. Hey, live where you can make money, and so what if it's not the life you want? As long as you're making money, you can always go on awesome vacations whenever and wherever you want. It just never made sense to me. Why would I want to live in a place that I don't like? Why would I want to work at a job that I don't like? Just to make a bunch of money. And then get away from my Monday to Friday life, going on a vacation every now and then. Sorry, just not buying it. My goal, and it's always been my goal, and I hope it's your goal too, is to create and live a life that I don't want or need a vacation from. Now, I'm not saying or suggesting to pack it up, sell the house, or say goodbye to your landlord, quit the job, burn the bridge, and live in a tent on the beach. Unless that's what you want to do, then go for it. So, maybe your job isn't your dream job. If you are living life just to pay the bills, if you are stressed Monday to Friday and always looking forward to the next vacation, maybe it's time to rethink life and change things up a bit so you'll be happier. Just saying. I know what you're thinking. Is living a life I don't need a vacation from really possible? Hey, I'm nobody special. We ran away from the real world. We lived on a sailboat for 9 years. 9 years. Now, we're living on our small homestead, moving toward being self-sufficient. Living closer to the land, with a pond in our front yard. Chickens, lots of chickens. Dogs, you've met Bonnie. What you doing, Bonnie? Cats, flowers, less stress. Hey, most of the time, I don't even know what day of the week it is. All 7 days, they just kind of blend together. The deal is, don't let a job define you or define your happiness. What did you dream of doing back when you were younger? What did you want to do when you were a kid? If money or whatever wasn't a concern, what would you be doing right now? What do you want to be doing? Think about it. Why do you want to go on a vacation in the first place? Why do you not like Monday and you're always looking forward to Friday? Or better yet, Saturday? I hope you create and build a life that you don't need a vacation from. Life's just too darn short to live a life expected and not the life of your passion. If you have a friend that's constantly thinking about going on a vacation to get away, please share this video with them. It's up to you to help a friend in need. Think about it. What makes you happy? And think about what makes you unhappy. Each day, do a little more of what makes you happy and do a little less of what's making you unhappy. It's all about you living your self-sufficient life dreams, living happy, living fun-loving, and living carefree. Create and live a life you don't want or need a vacation from. Live life doing it yourself.